Hi kids, today we will make a cute Valentine's Day card. Let's get started. It is very simple and easy. First, just color the hand of your kid with red color, just like red rose. You can experiment with other colors too, but as we are making Valentine's Day card, we used red color. Once color is properly spread on hand, then take a handprint on the sheet. Next, we will just color the thumb of the kid with green color to make leaves as shown in the video. Once the color is dry, you can use black marker to give little details to make it even more better. After giving details, look how cute it looks. If you want, you can write Happy Valentine's Day on the card, but you can skip it too. As this activity is for kids, you can make it further more interesting by giving the child some heart-shaped stickers and let kid use the imagination to put it anywhere on the card. Kids always love stickers. Finally, card is ready. This is the most cute card I have ever seen. Try with your kids and they will love it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.